At cafe, both enjoy moments.
So, Sonalika, I want to say something.
Could it be?
Shaurya tries to lose himself in Sonalika's innocent eyes. But suddenly he feels different pair of eyes staring at him. Shaurya panics and shouts, thinking that person is there. Sonalika gets shocked at his behavior.
Hey, you appeared again? Go away. Just leave me alone.
Sorry.
She feels all her expectations came crashing down. Sonalika gets heartbroken, thinking he shouted at her. Tears come rolling down her cheek. Thousand needles seem to penetrate her soft heart. Darkness mar her hope.
Saria, you hurted me badly today. At college, I thought you were only trying to make me jealous. I thought you liked me, but you called me here for humiliation? Please don't ever talk to me or contact me.
She leaves crying, hurt and broken. Shaurya had no clue what just happened.
What's happening with me?
Waiter arrives with bill and Shaurya comes to his senses.
Sir, bill.
Where did the lady with me go?
Waiter tells him the whole incident.
You two were talking nicely, but all of a sudden you shouted at her.
Shaurya lifts the painting he brought for Sonalika sadly.
She didn't even take this with her. Sonalika, I can't do such things to you even in dream. How did it happen?
He begins his melancholy long walk towards home, losing against fate, unable to solve his own mystery. Sonalika continues to cry after reaching home.
Why? Sorry, why? Why did you spit so much venom against me? What I thought of you and what you turned out to be. You're more disgusting than when I first thought at those time you were stalking me.
Shaurya calls Sonalika, but she didn't receive. He gets tensed and starts smoking.
Maybe things will get fixed at college after vacation.
College, November 1998. Shaurya timidly tries to approach Sonalika, but she ignores him. She looks sad, hurt, and angry.
Sonalika.
No, Saria, I won't talk with you.
Ignoring Shaurya, slowly she gets close with Ruchi and her gang of rowdy boys who were just classmates earlier. Slowly, Sonalika gets close to that group. Sonalika's study starts to get deteriorate. Always hanging around with them, she tries to forget Shaurya and continue to ignore him. Ruchi notices Sonalika's sudden distance from Shaurya and plans something.
Okay, Romeo, it's time to teach you a lesson. Have scores to settle with you.
Ruchi's conspiracy begins as she puts obstacles amid the path of possible Shaurya-Sonalika reunion. It starts to get harder for Shaurya to get near Sonalika even during classes.
Romeo, forget about Sonalika. I'll never let you get near her.
Why is this troll always creating trouble? I'm already sad.
Distance between Shaurya and Sonalika continues to increase as Shaurya hopes inches further downhill. Sonalika always sat at last bench, gossiping with Ruchi's gang and not paying attention in class. Shaurya can do nothing else being sad and hopeless. Often he looks behind at Sonalika, but she was always joking with other boys.
Sonalika, why are you always doing this? Well, Saria, I think you're getting taste of your own medicine.
Saria, I don't give a crap. If you're jealous, it was you who hurted me first.
Shaurya felt like his life is trapped in cage. His friends always taunt him with Sonalika's scenario. He used to get sadder day by day.
Hey, why don't you hang around with your Sonalika these days?
Even Sweta can't help him much in this situation. He started to avoid this friend circle.
Come on, don't trouble him much. Things will get well soon.
Just when Shaurya thinks he is lost in path of loneliness, Shaurya feels touch of care and compassion. She was Arohi, who Shaurya literally forgot amid his chaotic romantic saga.
Saria, what happened? Is everything alright? You look gloomy these days. Is there any way I can help you?
Nothing. Just few personal problems and pressure of studies, Arohi. Thanks for asking.
Come on, buddy. Please share your problems with me.
Should I share my problems with her?
This marks the beginning of great friendship, which resurrects Shaurya's lost legacy. Shaurya finds great friend in Arohi. She was decent, hardworking girl with great ambitions. Friendly rivalry started in terms of studies. Both always try to get best out of each other. He senses his friendship in different level above his hypocrite friend circle. One day, Shaurya finally shares everything between him and Sonalika and how things play out mysteriously. Arohi is shocked at first but promises to help Shaurya. He doesn't have much expectation but becomes happy for her approach and caring attitude. She gains Shaurya's respect.
And this was how it all blew up all of a sudden.
Don't worry, Shaurya. Me, Ari Sinha, promise you that I will solve this mystery and bring you Sonalika back. Anything for you, Shaurya.
What a great friend I found in you.
Arohi then approaches Sonalika and explains Shaurya's feeling about her. She tells Sonalika that there must be some misunderstandings and briefs about mysterious problems surrounding Shaurya.
Shaurya never intended to misbehave you, Sonalika. It's something else.
I don't think so. What you're telling is weird.
Come on, Sonalika. Don't be stubborn. Remember how he cared for you.
I also started to like him, but he shouted at me in front of everyone. You don't know what I was expecting that day and what he did. You don't know how I felt that moment.
Arohi tries to further convince Sonalika.
Come on, dear. Think calmly. Okay, tell me clearly. Was he always rude with you? Did he always misbehave?
No. Few times he tried to make me jealous, otherwise he was always nice. I knew he always wanted to be with me. He was shy to approach.
See, you can't judge him based on one instant. He still loves you madly. We'll find out what his mysterious problem is. But please don't hate him for that. Your silence is punishing both of you. Go, Sonalika, talk with him.
Okay, Arohi. Maybe you're right. I will talk with him. Maybe I got carried away. Thank you.
Sonalika finally gets convinced by Arohi's magic words. All temporary sore feelings toward Shaurya in her soft heart finally washed away, and she finally runs to meet Shaurya to tell him how much she loves him and missed him for all these weeks. Gloomy weather seems to vanish and Sonalika feels arrival of spring.
Sorry, I'm coming. Nothing will come between us now.
On her path towards Shaurya, Sonalika suddenly encounters a roadblock named
Ruchi?
Sonalika, stop! Where are you going?
Ruchi, I'm going to meet Shaurya.
Sonalika tells Ruchi about her intentions and meeting with Arohi.
Are you out of your mind? It may be their conspiracy to humiliate you again.
But
Ruchi injects poisons in Sonalika's mind. Satish and Manish also joins. Sonalika doesn't want to believe.
Can't you see that Arohi is close with Shaurya? He has sent her to you so that he can fool you again.
Yes, she's right.
I don't believe. Arohi doesn't seem like that.
Just wait and watch.
Doubt creeps in her mind.
She must be right. But I don't think Arohi was lying either. What do I do now?
Moments later, as Arohi was returning, Ruchi stops Arohi, trying to bully her.
What happened?
Why are you sticking your nose on Sonalika's business? You better stay out of it.
I'm just helping Shaurya and Sonalika. What's wrong in that? What's the problem?
Ruchi gets enraged by Arohi's answer and suddenly smashes Arohi.
Problem is you, Arohi Sinha.
Arohi falls on ground. Ruchi attacks fallen Arohi brutally with multiple punches. Hatred was pouring from Ruchi's face. She wanted to eliminate anything that will reunite Shaurya and Sonalika. Arohi gets hurt.
Stupid girl, my name is Ruchi Rana and this is what happens to people who doesn't obey me.
Arohi desperately tries to fight back. She finally succeeds to get Ruchi off her.
Go to hell, you evil girl.
Arohi recovers and slowly gets up with fire in her eyes.
Arohi Sinha has never backed down from bullies and will never back down.
Like a phoenix that rises from ashes, Arohi got up and landed solid kick on Ruchi.
Friends are meant to help friends, not inflict more torture. I would reunite Sora and Sonalika.
Arohi seemed to be possessed, destroying everything that comes in path of Shaurya and Sonalika. But Satish and Manish arrives from behind and stops Arohi. Their attempt to abuse her is predicting that something bad is going to happen to her. Arohi becomes helpless in two males' hold.
Enough fireworks, Miss Arohi. It's time to extinguish your fire.
Poor Arohi, being held by two strong guys, starts to get thrashed by Ruchi, who just recovered from earlier Arohi fight back. Now Arohi is in danger of getting seriously injured.
Haha, Ruchi will squeeze all the heroism out of you now.
Bitch, you'll pay heavily now.
Arohi's mind soon starts to get dark due to pain. She screams Shaurya's name.
Soria!
Finally, someone puts hold on ongoing disgusting act. Shaurya arrives there finally to Arohi's rescue. She gets free from their hold but starts to fall on the ground due to weakness.
Ah,
You rascals!
Shaurya holds falling Arohi right in time before she falls on the ground. He momentarily panics at her vulnerable situation.
Arohi, are you alright?
Shaurya made mistake of taking his eyes off the opponents. Shaurya gets smacked in head from behind by Satish. Brawl breaks out. Suddenly Ruchi shouts, sensing something.
Hey, let's get out of here. Someone is coming.
They escape. Shaurya helps Arohi get into her feet gently with care.
Carefully, Arohi. Don't worry. I'm here.
They beat me for talking to Sonalika about you.
Shaurya then finds Arohi's glasses and puts on her. Sensing his care for her, Arohi keeps looking at Shaurya's without blinking her eyes.
They will pay heavily for abusing you, I swear.
Soria.
As soon as Shaurya put glasses on Arohi, suddenly he sees someone else staring at him. Those cold mysterious eyes appear in front of Shaurya again. Some untold story seems to be hidden under her deep blue eyes, and silently demanding Shaurya some answers he owes her.
It's her again. But how?
Shaurya gets freezed again seeing her. Being speechless, he keeps looking at her. Meanwhile, Arohi hugs him at the very moment, unaware of Shaurya's scenario.
Thank you, Soria. Thank you for arriving at the right moment.
Shaurya starts to panic due to Mystery Girl's presence. He too hugs Arohi. Suddenly, Sonalika arrives there and sees hugging them each other.
Soria, I didn't know Sonalika had such disgusting friends.
Oh my god. What is this? Sorry. So this is what you have become. Or were you like this from start? And Arohi Sinha? So this is your true color. Getting close to Soria and feeling his ears against me. Ruchi was right. She was indeed conspiring against me. I didn't know such innocent looking girl can do such level of planning. I thought you were an angel who opened my eyes. It was your plan to destroy me completely. Arohi Sinha, Sonalika Pandey will never forgive you.
Already planted tree of misunderstandings grows further threatening to destroy three beautiful souls. Sonalika walks away dejectedly with her heart filled with disappointment, anger and grief. Everything seems crash and burn.
I hate you, Soria. I hate you, Arohi.
Meanwhile, Shaurya recovers his senses.
Arohi, I think the same weird thing happened to me again.
Oh, is that so? Don't worry, Soria. We'll solve your problem. So he hallucinated again, but he didn't freak out this time like he did with Sonalika at cafe as he narrated. This is one more mystery.
Next day, Shaurya was on rampage, searching for Ruchi's gang. He enters classroom and immediately grabs Satish by throat and starts punching. Satish was unprepared for sudden Shaurya's onslaught.
You morons! I will send you to hell. Where is another brat?
Leave me, you idiot. Is he the same stupid guy? Where did he get such a fire inside him?
Ruchi attempts to stop Shaurya from attacking Satish.
Jerk, stop the act of violence.
Shaurya sends Ruchi flying in air.
Leave me, you troll!
Finally, arrival of Sonalika puts brake on Shaurya's onslaught with tight slap.
Stop this nonsense, Mr. Saurya.
Shaurya was surprised to see Sonalika. Defending his action, he tries to explain her.
Sonalika, you don't know true colors of them.
You better not talk about showing true colors, Mr. Saurya.
Trying to hit iron when it's hot, Ruchi pokes Sonalika's further. They began to argue.
This guy started attacking us for no reason.
No, you don't know what they did to us yesterday. Please stay away from them.
Whoa, us, huh? Arui Sinha's poison is already starting to show its effect on him. I only know what you did to me. Don't teach me whom to talk and whom not to. Mind your own business.
Talking with you after such a long time, but in such situation,